Okay, what letter is this?
Q.
And what sound does it make? Qua.
Qu.
And what's this?
Queen.
Queen, perfect. What letter is this?
R.
And what sound does it make? Ra.
R.
And what's that?
Red.
Red, very good. Next one here. What letter is this?
S.
And what sound does it make?
St.
Nice. And what's that?
Ship.
Shit, very good. And how about this?
T.
And what sound?
The.
Ta.
The.
Ta.
T.
Nice. And what's that?
Turtle.
Yeah, so good. Well done. What's this?
U.
You. What sound does it make? Ah. Nice. And what's that?
Umbrella.
Yeah, nice. Very good. How about this? What letter?
V.
V. Nice. What sound does it make?
V.
Va. Yeah, good. And what's that?
Violin.
Violin. Nice. What letter is this?
W.
And what sound does it make? Wa.
W.
And what's that?
Go.
Whoa, very good. And how about this? What letter is this?
S.
X.
S.
What sound does it make? And what's this?
Xylophone.
Xylophone. Xylophone. And what letter is this?
Y.
What sound does it make? Yeah. And what's this?
Yo-yo.
Very good, well done. And what letter is this?
Z.
And what sound does it make? Z.
Z.
And what's that?
Zebra.
Zebra, very good. High five, well done. You can go next door. Seventeen. Hello. All right.
Is it going to take a long time?
Yeah, kind of, because you have to write, you know, and it's
Yeah,
just-
so many words